Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to create a Google form, whether you're making a survey or setting up a quiz. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create questions, set answer types, and even grade quizzes automatically. Let's start by opening Google Forms. Go to forms.google.com and log in with your Google account if you haven't already. You can also access Google Forms through Google Drive by clicking in New, then selecting Google Forms under More. Once you're on the Forms homepage, click on Blank to start a new form. This will give you a blank form to build your survey or quiz from scratch. First, give your form a title and description. This helps participants understand the purpose of your survey or quiz. Just click on the untitled form text and type in your title, like Customer Satisfaction Survey or Math Quiz. Now, it's time to add questions. Click on Untitled Question to start typing. You can choose different question types, like short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, and more by clicking the drop-down menu next to the question. For a survey, multiple choice and short answer are common choices, but feel free to mix it up based on what information you need. If you're creating a quiz, click on the Settings gear in the top right corner, then select Quizzes and enable Make This a Quiz. This lets you assign points to each question and even add answer feedback. After you turn on quiz mode, go back to each question and assign point values. You can even mark correct answers and give feedback based on whether the response was right or wrong. If you have a long survey or quiz, you might want to divide it into sections. To do this, click the Add Section button on the toolbar. This lets you group related questions together, which can make your form look cleaner and help participants stay organized. To make your form more visually appealing, click on the color palette icon at the top to customize your theme. You can choose colors, add a background image, and even change the font style. Once you're happy with the look of your form, click the eye icon to preview it. This lets you see exactly what participants will see and make sure everything looks perfect. Now let's make sure you're set up to collect responses. In the Settings menu, under Responses, you can choose if you want participants to see their scores right after submitting the quiz or receive an email copy of their responses. This is especially useful for quizzes so they get instant feedback. When you're ready to share, click the Send button at the top. You can share the form via email or get a shareable link. If you want to embed it on a website, there's also an embed option. Copy the link and send it to your participants, or share it directly to social media if you're collecting survey data. As responses start coming in, you'll see them in the Responses tab. You can view individual answers or summary data, and even export the results to Google Sheets for deeper analysis. Google Forms makes it easy to analyze data with graphs and charts that help you get a quick overview of your results. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a Google form for surveys or quizzes, add questions, customize themes, and collect responses. Google Forms is a powerful tool that's simple to use for both beginners and advanced users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Web Tips for more guides like this. Let me know in the comments what kind of form you'll be creating next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.